morning, this is Captain Matt Weber and I love to fish. This morning I'm dropping the kayak in down here at Virginia Key, do a little bit of saltwater fishing. I have no idea what to expect. It's been a minute or two since I've been in salt, so I'm going to throw some top waters, I'm going to throw some swim baits and just cruise around and enjoy the beautiful sights down here on Virginia Key. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and I hope you have another fine day full of fun and adventure. Alright, let's go ahead and get the show on the road. We're going to turn on quick draw contours, drop the skeg, drop the rudder, drop the pedals, line them up, slap them in. We are on our way. Ah, there's a manatee. Look at that, boys and girls. Big old manatee. There's a manatee over there. There's a manatee there. There's a smaller one. Hello, dude. That's interesting. Manatees. Barracuda. See a little measurement for John Gerhold. Good job, buddy. Trolling for cooties, having some fun. Go get you some, get you bigger, boys. Alright. Okay, so I just got that little Barracuda. Here's what I'm doing. I'm just trolling this dude behind the kayak, doing about it averaged out to be about 1.5 miles an hour. I'm gonna see if I can't bag another one. Here we go.